We had to catch a quick video of this 1966 Chevy before the weather gets bad. This truck is sitting on a set of 40-inch boggers, 39.5 to be exact. 16.5 by 14 weld racing Roadhawk wheels. Tires are probably half tread, maybe a little less in the back. This is a full 8-foot bed, custom, with the large rear window. 454 big block, 10-to-1 compression, 350 turbo transmission, 8 lug axles, corporate 14 bolt in the back with a disc brake conversion. The body lines of this truck are really good shape. This truck was actually built and owned by my uncle. It was built somewhere between 10 and 15 years ago. He replaced the stainless and chrome and did the bed. The wood floors could use a sanding and some polyurethane to bring them back to life, but they looked extremely nice when the truck was built. He does have some before and after pictures that I'm sure we can get duplicated to go with the purchase of this truck. We'll do another video with the truck running. It's got a really good sounding big block. We're gonna go around the truck and touch up a few little imperfections with some touch-up paint. Very, very slight spots I want to point out in the video because a lot of people do buy things sight unseen. More times than not, actually, these days. But if you look at the body of the truck, the lines are very good. This truck could pull up at a car show and just get extreme attention. Of course, attention to detail, you know, it might lack in some areas, but as far as looks pulling off the street, as rare as these trucks are, you'll be hard pressed for this price point to find anything comparable. Again, this is a 10 to 15 year old restoration, paint job, etc. It has been indoors most of that time. You see a little spot here where the rubs when it's closed, but the doors do close well. Tank behind the seat. Tilt steering column's been added. I don't know on the functions of the gauges. I have yet to drive it, but our detail guy just drove it up here about 15 miles or so, and it did well. Braided brake hoses, automatic 350 turbo transmission, front drive shaft, and functional four-wheel drive like it should be. Long tube headers, true dual exhaust. But overall, bang for the buck, this truck's hard to beat. You're not buying a $100,000 Barrett-Jackson showroom restored classic truck, because we all know what they're bringing currently, whether it be Mecum or Barrett-Jackson. Any of the 60s and 70s models are bringing ridiculous money. And they're bringing it because they're worth it. The crowd that own these trucks or wish they owned these trucks can now afford it, and good for them. This truck's priced at 40 grand. Somebody is going to get a heck of a deal for that price. My father's got this same truck in white and a short bed, and my uncle always loved that truck and built this one and did a great job. Again, the chrome, the stainless. The stainless is in excellent shape. The chrome is starting to show some wear. It could use a polish or maybe a re-chrome in the future. We'll get some pictures underneath the hood and of it running with another video coming. I just want to catch this one before the weather gets bad. This truck will be in our showroom building, up for grabs, title in hand. So if you're looking for a nice classic, this one's going to be hard to beat. Hopefully the walk around video, you can slow it down, zoom in. If you've got any other areas you'd like to see up close, we'll be happy to get them for you. But this is a very impressive truck. It has always gotten a ton of attention. And a good driver. My uncle and my cousin, and actually several of our close family friends have driven this truck to different cruising and car shows, because we're always taking a lot of vehicles, and everybody has surely always fell in love with it. Again, comment or shoot us a message if you'd like to see any other certain areas. DavisAutosales.com, Davis4x4.com, 804-271-0030. Thanks for watching.